After watching these few videos, I know you might getting in your mind, like, if I don't know how to write a prompt, then okay, it's a solution for me. Don't worry, keep watching. So first thing, when you're just going to write the prompt, think about what is your desire. What do you mainly want as an output? Tell them as much as possible. Ask the question in details, then he gonna reply you in details. This is the first thing you can do. You can start literally with this, and I believe within few months you will be master in prompt engineering. Second thing is, like, if you see, okay, you are just going to write a prompt but it's not replying how you want, then you can ask AI, hey, this is the prompt, this is the thing I like to get the reply. Can you please write for me in a prompt based on root framework? I believe they're gonna give you a clear and great result. Okay, now let's see an example, or let's try together. Like, okay, so let's say I don't know much about prompt engineering. Okay, so I can ask here, I want to get an output, but I don't know prompt. Okay, so now as you can see, I just tell here on the AI that, hey, I wanna get an output, but I don't know the prompt. Can you please make a prompt based on these? And then I tell must follow the root framework and let me know more details. So this is, I just make a mistake. So I need to write here, let me know if you have any questions, like this. But anyway, you just give me a reply in here. This is the main point of following rule, like trying to explain about here. But I again reply to him that, hey, but I asked you for a prompt. Then he just gave me a prompt in there. Now I can use it. And also I can do the customization using this prompt. And I just asked the same thing on here, these ChatGPT, and here he explained a lot about here. But again, I tell him that, okay, I like to get here the prompt mainly. I don't really need more, as you can see, but I asked for your prompt, and here is mainly the prompt he given to me. And I asked the same thing on here, this cloud, and here is it. And here, as you can see, they gave me a prompt. So if you don't know about the prompt, then don't worry. You can ask literally the AI for getting in a prompt. They're gonna generate for you prompt, and then you can use it for doing your work. Okay, I think it's gonna be pretty work when you're just going to generating images using AI. That time I think this tricks gonna help you a lot. If you see, like, if you're just going to generate something but it's not giving exactly how you want, then I think you can use AI, like this type of thing. I mean, this thing you can follow to get a better result.